What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kadir here. Today I'm going to be testing out the Sigma 18 to 35mm 1.8 lens. It's a lens that my cameraman is filming me right now on, and we're going to be doing testing out the photography on this lens. So we're going to be doing some photography with my model here. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, in our first location, we're here under I don't know what you call it, pavilion type thing, and it's kind of hot, and it's a lot of sun. The sun's like right above us right now, and it's like creating harsh shadows. So I was just like, we just might as well take some pictures right here. It feels nice. So let me stop talking and take some pictures. All right. Kind of like lean, if you can like switch feet. So we back in action. My model, she needed to get some lip gloss, so we got to go ahead and get these pictures done. Let's get into it. Yes, sir.
Follow me on Instagram at CharitySBrown.
So we got some pretty dope shots so far. The thing about this day is that like the sun is right above like our head, so it's casting like nasty shadows over her eyes, whatever. So the kind of like photos out there not looking that great. So I'm trying to like stay like under like pavilions and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to find some other places we can take photos at, so I can get some content for you guys. I'll be doing a whole lot with the hands. Okay, if you haven't yet, make sure you like this video. Can we bust like 5 likes? That's not a lot, just 5 likes. So make sure y'all like this video, comment your age, you feel me? Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet.
Make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you're alerted every time you post a video.
Just got informed that this area is trash, so we canceling the shoot.
The shoot isn't canceled. We're gonna move to a different location. See y'all there.
I don't know, she's talking about this shoot is canceled, it's over
not
with,
canceled.
it's done.
It's not over till I say it's over.